Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Fantom here, and as we said in our previous video, Fantom is currently in and around that that big bear market resistance that we've seen for a lot of cryptocurrencies, and it is looking like Fantom over the past few days is having a very clean breakout of that resistance finally, isn't it? You can see here we've got resistance, and then here we had that rejection or potentially breakout back test, depending on exactly how you exactly how you would draw that trend line. But you can see now we've cleanly got a breakout of that area of resistance here. We've had a very nice run up for Fantom over the past few days, running up around, what is this, 33% in 2 days, which is a really nice little gain, isn't it? Especially if if you put in some cheeky little buys down here at the bottom of the big overall range, you'd be up around 57% to that swing high over the past 2 weeks, which is a massive gain, isn't it? Fantom looking like, potentially here starting to form that double bottom kind of territory, and we are breaking out of bear market resistances, which is one of the first bullish signs that we would say. We can also see that we have clearly broken out of our 20 and our 55 EMAs on the daily time frame, also extremely bullish to see. Overall, Fantom looking like it is showing a little bit of strength, especially with Bitcoin is still chopping it sideways in its range. Obviously Fantom is still doing this as well. There's a long way to go before we are, identifying that Fantom is moving up to the upside with any great aplomb, or is forming, bullish market structure. But you would say, this is the first thing that you do need to see Fantom doing to essentially start coming back up to the upside, at the very least retesting some of these resistances that do need to be retested. You can see, obviously, we're still stuck in this range. We've got the high, the low, the high. We've retested the high and low twice here. We're obviously breaking out of a few key resistances here, so you would expect that we're probably going to come back up towards that high again. The 023 firstly at that 37-cent level being one of the first targets, and back up to that 43-cent level as well. At the top of the range, those would be our targets to the upside, especially now that we've broken out of this key level of resistance. You would strongly predict that at the very least we are heading up to these levels to be retested, in our opinion, especially what we're seeing with a lot of altcoins right now, starting to break out of key levels of resistance, starting to break out of bear market resistances like we're seeing for Fantom. And we do think, potentially we are seeing, a lot of double bottoms and potential bottoming out patterns for a lot of cryptos. Obviously Fantom absolutely smashed down from the all-time high at around that $3.40 level, currently trading at around 27 cents. So you would expect realistically, a lot of seller exhaustion. You can see these huge bullish divergences as well. Obviously the RSI coming down, Fantom still making lower lows and lower highs overall. You'd say this is probably a lower low than this if you're just including the candles, not the wicks. So overall we do think, Fantom looking like it is starting to break out some very key resistances right now, and we're probably expecting more upside for it. So as we said, our price predictions heading up to the top of the range at 42 cents. Obviously, if we roll over, you do want to backtest that previous resistance as support at 21 cents. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.